So today I'll be showing you how to share your Instagram stories to Facebook, or an Instagram story to Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is link your Instagram and Facebook account. So you want to go to your profile, just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner, and that should open settings and activity. And then you want to go into account center, and then go to sharing across profiles, and make sure you've linked your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Now I have an entire video which I'll link down below on how to link your Instagram and Facebook accounts, so you can go and watch that. And then after linking, now every time you go to post an Instagram story, you'll have the option to also share it to your Facebook stories. So let's go and try to post an Instagram story. So I'll just tap on plus here, and then put my story. Let's say, for instance, I want to put this one in my stories. And just before I tap on the publish icon, as soon as I finish preparing my story with stickers, music, and whatnot, and tap on this arrow, you should see sharing options under your story here. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to select my story, and then I'll tap on sharing options, and then it's going to have the option to share to Facebook, and I can select share once, and you can see it says your story and Facebook story. So now when I publish this post, it's going to publish on both my Instagram story and my Facebook story. So let's go to Facebook and confirm that we are on Facebook. Well, it hasn't finished posting, so let's just give it a moment. So after refreshing, you can see my Instagram story has now been posted to Facebook stories as well. Okay, so that is basically how to do that. Now, if you want to do it automatically so that you don't have to keep pressing on that extra button, you can just enable it automatically. So tap on your profile, and then once again tap on the three-line button in the top right corner. That should open settings and activity, and then go to accounts center, and then go to sharing across profiles. Now, when you tap on that, you'll see these options if you have linked your Instagram and Facebook accounts. So we have share from, let's pick our Instagram account, and then share to. So this one is already set to share to this Facebook account. So you want to go ahead and enable your Instagram story. So that basically means anytime you're sharing from Instagram, anytime you share your Instagram story on Instagram, it's also going to share to Facebook. Okay, so that is basically how to share Instagram stories to Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.